Labor Day is here and you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. Today, I'll show you 10 last-minute snacks you can make for under $2 each. They're quick, tasty, and perfect for sharing. Let's get started.
Number 1. Deviled eggs with paprika. Creamy, tangy, and always a hit. Eggs, $1.80 per dozen. Mayo, mustard. Cost per serving is 25 cents. Number 2. Tortilla chips with salsa. Grab a $2 bag of chips and a $2 jar of salsa. One serving comes to about 50 cents. Easy and crowd-pleasing. Number 3. Mini hot dogs. Pigs in a blanket. Hot dogs plus canned crescent rolls equals quick, bite-sized treats. Cost per piece is 40 cents. Number 4. Cheese quesadillas. Tortilla plus shredded cheese. Pan fry and cut into wedges. Cost per serving is 60 cents. Number 5. Veggie sticks with ranch dip. Carrots and celery with ranch dressing. Cost per serving is 45 cents. Number 6. Popcorn with seasonings. Make a big bowl, sprinkle with butter and garlic powder. Cost per serving is 20 cents. Number 7. Fruit skewers. Use banana, apple, and grapes. Fun, fresh, and sweet. Cost per skewer is 70 cents. Number 8. Garlic bread slices. Day-old bread with garlic butter, toasted crisp. Cost per slice is 35 cents. Number 9. Pretzels with mustard dip. Simple, salty snack with zing. Pretzels plus mustard. Cost per serving is 30 cents. Number 10. Mini pizzas on English muffins. Muffin plus pizza sauce plus cheese. Bake until golden. Cost per piece is 80 cents.
And that's it. 10 last-minute snacks for Labor Day, all under $2 each. No stress, no big spending, and you'll still impress your guests. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly food videos.